Number 10 says to find sine of theta if we have cosine theta is 2/7 and theta is in quadrant 4. Alright, the gist of this question is to determine the value of one trig function if we know another trig function and the quadrant. So we need to think about this in terms of right triangles. So for the sine, we have opposite over hypotenuse. For the cosine, we have adjacent over hypotenuse. So in this case, we know cosine theta is 2/7, and so on top is the adjacent, and underneath is the hypotenuse. So with that information, we're going to draw a right triangle. With the sides that we see in the cosine. We're going to label this angle theta, and then down right next to theta is the side adjacent, which will be 2, and the longer side is the hypotenuse at 7. We're going to determine the other side, the opposite side. We're going to use the Pythagorean theorem, c squared equals a squared plus b squared, to determine the side opposite. So that gives us 7 squared equals 2 squared plus b squared. 49 equals 4 plus b squared. Subtract the 4. We'll have b squared is equal to 45. Take the square root. B is equal to square root 45. And so that's the side opposite, square root 45. So now we can say the value of the sine. Well, remember that we're in quadrant 4, and in quadrant 4 the sine is negative. So our final answer here will be sine theta is equal to negative square root 45 opposite over hypotenuse 7.